Maximizing your B2B cold email. Open rate, key AI strategies for success, AnyBiz. Imagine sending 100 cold emails, and one of them lands a big client, boosting your company's income. Achieving this success isn't easy. It hinges on the open rate, the percentage of recipients who actually open your emails. More opens mean more chances to find that golden client. B2B email open rates dropped from 25% in 2015 to 19% in 2023. Discover AI-driven strategies in this video to make your cold emails more engaging and effective. The open rate is a metric that measures the percentage of recipients who open an email out of the total number of emails sent, excluding bounced emails. It's calculated as open rate equals sign, number of opened emails, number of delivered emails, x 100. For cold emails, open rates tend to be lower than for other types of email campaigns. Generally, 15 to 25%, considered good for cold emails, 25 to 35%, excellent, 5% plus, exceptional, but rare for cold outreach. Open rates are boosted by engaging subject lines, strong sender reputation, optimal timing, Tuesday to Thursday, 10 a.m. or 2 p.m., and personalization. Open rates can be misleading due to preview pains, privacy blockers, and timing issues. Use them alongside click-through, reply, and conversion rates for a clearer picture of email effectiveness. AI has revolutionized personalization in B2B outreach. It goes beyond just using first name by analyzing detailed data to create microsegments based on behavior, engagement, and communication style. AI also generates dynamic content tailored to each segment's specific needs and preferences, making emails more relevant and engaging. AI tools like AnyBiz.io enhance subject lines by analyzing successful campaigns and generating tailored options. It A/B tests variations to improve performance and includes emotional triggers that appeal to B2B decision-makers, like curiosity and FOMO. This ensures your subject lines are both engaging and professional. AI tools simplify bulk emailing with smart list management, adaptive send rates, and automated bounce handling. They keep your lists updated, segment contacts precisely, and handle emails efficiently. Tools like warmy.io help warm up your domain gradually to build trust. This approach ensures your emails feel personal and relevant, boosting engagement and avoiding the spam folder. For a comprehensive solution, AnyBiz integrates these AI-driven strategies into one platform, enhancing your B2B cold email campaigns. Want to learn why your B2B emails are being ignored? Check out our article linked below the video to discover 5 common reasons. A/B testing reveals what works in your email campaigns by comparing different versions. AI tools like AnyBiz enhance this by analyzing real-time data and adjusting strategies for better results. Focus on engagement to refine your approach. AnyBiz.io is like having a non-stop super smart sales team. It handles everything from finding leads to scheduling meetings. Forget hiring extra staff. AnyBiz's AI does it all, analyzing vast amounts of data and making smart decisions to boost your outreach. AnyBiz.io's AI creates personalized email sequences and handles multi-channel follow-ups seamlessly. It tailors messages, times follow-ups perfectly, and adapts across channels. Key benefits: automated IP recognition, email warming, and custom landing pages boost your outreach. Experience smarter B2B sales with a 7-day free trial. We're glad you're here. Visit AnyBiz.io and subscribe for updates on our latest innovations and features.